Let's choose a cupcake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I have strawberry, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have chocolate, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have vanilla, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have red velvet, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have blueberry, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Can I have orange, please? Yes, you can. Here you go. Yummy. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, red velvet, blueberry, orange. We've eaten all the cupcakes. What is your favorite flavor? Mine is chocolate. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.